Okay, we're going to do some videotape here. Somebody there on the right, so be careful. There's the second clip. Wow. Awesome. This is what I call a big waves BTL video. Just like videotaping a big T-storm like I did on July 4th and July 27th. And there were others too, by the way. Yeah, it's been a very active T-storm season, 2023. Yeah. Of course, June 27th, June 28th, of course, July 4th. Of course, July 15th, I had some nice lightning show in the pre-dawn. Careful. I'm not alone here. That's where I was earlier. Again, I haven't been here since 2/23/22. Almost a year and 10 months. I know, that's certainly a longevity. First time I'm using my new camcorder here. What I'm using right now. Check that guy in the distance, he seems to be alright. Wow, awesome. These waves, I don't care what they say. Even if you're an E mile lower fan, I still love these waves anyway. That guy I was talking to in the last frame, well, he kept me busy too. He came from quite a distance. Alright, we're going to go to the other beach now. Well, wait a minute, before we do, we'll get these. That's over there in a few moments. And that'll be today's work. The ship out there. Remember, I was here and I was videotaping the ships rolling in. I know the screen blacked out, but that's okay. Alright, we're going to stop it now.